Hello everyone, I am in Mexico for my super good friend's batch and so excited to have all the pina coladas, maybe get some sun in. I just hope I don't tan very much, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and let's get started.
Starting off our first meal at the resort, we're at Isla Blanca, and this is the buffet restaurant. There's a huge variety here. You have pizza, you have pasta, you even have a self-serve salad bar if you're looking to be a little bit healthier on the trip. And of course, they have a taco station. Okay, so we are at the buffet and I have some food right now. We are starving. We've barely eaten, so gonna have something to eat and probably hang out with the rest of the girls.
What happened to character development, Joey?
Huh?
So what happened to character development? One thing at a time.
Here's the bingo! Woo!
Hey guys, we are very suspiciously decorating the room. Wow, the little number 7. Ready? 1, 2, 3. For you. Look at how nice. Let me show you. So we've got our little gift bags for everyone, and then also we have the sachets with different names on them. So we're gonna let her choose them for us.
Look at this beautiful PJ.
Yes, bright
Guys,
to
it's for
be.
you.
Woo! Okay guys, we are almost done setting this up. We have the banner here, we have all the gift bags. This is Finca's little bride situation. And we're all set. You're gonna have to stay here for a little bit, okay? I'm watching you. We did so good. We woke up, went to the gym. Now we're gonna get a smoothie, and then we're gonna get ready for our beach or pool day.
For breakfast, we're checking out another restaurant at the resort. They had a section for buffet style, but there's also an a la carte. Even though I'm on vacation, I'm trying to be really intentional about eating a little bit healthier. Unfortunately, bacon is one of those things that is really hard to resist for me, so that is my cheat food item of the day.
Good morning, guys. It is day 2 in Mexico, and currently we are just getting ready. We're gonna enjoy the beach. I have a little like beachy sun hat vibe that I'm gonna go for. It is so hot out today, so let's hope we don't get any mad tan lines. All the girls are wearing black, and the bride is wearing her white outfit. So very bachelorette vibes, and can't wait. We finished getting ready. We're off to dinner, having French Steakhouse. Anyways, we're all dressed up and gonna do that. The bride is gonna be wearing white today, so.
We are at a French restaurant tonight, and we had an assortment of appetizers to share.
Okay, chocolate fondant, crème brûlée, tartine tartare, éclair.
We just finished at the gym and had a really nice little pump, and now we're gonna enjoy the pool. There's like a bar attached to the pool, so I think we're just gonna hang out there. And yeah, it is a beautiful freaking day, guys. We finished at the pool and now it's dinner time. We are having Italian tonight. I'm so excited for some carbs. Like, I feel like we just haven't had much carbs on the trip yet. So let's get some pasta.
This was probably one of my favorite restaurants at the resort, and the grilled octopus here was so delicious. We also got a variety of pastas and pizzas to share.
Hello guys, it is another day and it is beach day again. We are wearing all white and the bride is wearing red. So very Canadian themed, and then we just chose red because it's kind of like Asian color, like good luck and stuff. So yeah, we are gonna do that and enjoy some sun. We got room service earlier because it was a pretty late one for a lot of us, but super fun. And yeah, let's go. Wow, it is hot right now. Huh? Alright guys, it is later on in the day. We did a really fun ceviche class. they have like all these activities that you can do around like 4 p.m. And so yeah, all of us did that, and we have an earlier dinner. It's at 7 p.m. So we just got ready. Hair is up today. It's just so hot today. Like literally when we were at the beach, it felt like we were in a sauna. So yeah, there's that. This is the outfit. Very much into color right now. But yeah, tonight we are having steak. Hopefully it's good. I don't know if it's gonna compare to like Alberta beef, but we'll see. All right, this is our final full day in Mexico. Yesterday was so much fun. We went to the Steakhouse. It was pretty good. We had a lot of fun. We did shots, hung out, and then we ended up going to the rooftop bar area, and we just kind of hung out there for the rest of the night. Yeah, it was like really good vibes. They even played APT for us, which was so fun. Yeah, my voice is a little raspy today, but another beautiful day. It was supposed to thunderstorm, but I don't think it is anymore. We are just gonna head to get some brunch and probably just like maybe hang out by the pool area. Oh, the tomatoes are hitting the spot.
Good morning, everyone. It is the last day and final meal we're having at the resort in Cancun. I'm here at the omelet station. Figured I wanted to get something a little bit more filling since we do have a long haul flight ahead. And yes, there is indeed a ton of bacon on my plate. And thank you so much for watching this Cancun vlog. So grateful to be a part of my best friend's bachelorette party. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.